Welcome to the CRM, a super easy and awesome way to manage all your leads coming from your website funnel, from your forms, from your orders, whatever it is. You can manage them all within your funnel, absolutely free inside your system. So, like in this case, we have one customer here that is an actual coming from an order. So when you click on the user, we can actually see a detailed information about that user. So you can do that with every of your user that you have here. So when you click on it, you see their profile. So you have different informations, and here are your properties for that specific user that you can fully customize and update at any point. You can add a tag for that user, so you can easily tag users and find the ones that you are looking for by filtering by that. And if they're a member, having a membership, you'll see this information about them and their last login as well. Now, as well, you can also assign a group to those members. You can see what kind of forms they submitted, if they submitted any form on your website or funnel, what orders they have. Like in this case, we have 3 orders happening for this particular customer, and the subscriptions, if they have again any subscriptions happening on your system. If they have a booking, you also see the booked appointment here as well, if they have such. Now again, we can go back and see all the users that we have in our CRM. Now of course you can filter by different criteria, which are properties or tag, to find specific some users that you want to define by these criteria. You can also, when you do such thing, you can also save this filter for later stages, and we call them segments. So here you have a few segments being created. So basically when a user is being created, a customer is being added to the CRM, that's being created in the last 7 days. If it's 30 days, it's going to be this. So you can create as many as you want and list them here, so it's easier for you to find that users by just clicking, saving your filters. The other thing that you can do is members. So if you have people who are creating an account on your website or a funnel, you see them as members here, and you can assign them to different membership groups by clicking on add group and adding them. So this way you can manage easily your leads and contacts. Of course, you can add members and users from add contact, or you can import from a file that you may have with users. So you can import them or export all the users that you have. So you want to put it somewhere else. The other cool thing about the whole CRM is the messages. So basically, if somebody submits a message on a form, you see all these forms here listed with all the messages inside the CRM, so you can never lose a specific lead, a message coming from a specific user. So you can find them all here. And booking an appointment, this is a really cool way. It's part of the whole CRM ecosystem, is basically the ability to create booking and appointments. But again, you have a video for that explaining in details how the booking works. And then lastly, the settings, where you can create your properties, manage your tags and membership settings from one place. This is the CRM. It's very easy and very smart and fun to use to manage all your leads, members, and see a lot of information about each one and how they're behaving on your websites and funnels. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate and let us know.